Private company Virgin Galactic has created history by venturing into the space tourism market. As part of its space program, 5 people and company's owner, Richard Branson, took a trip to space and returned successfully to Earth. The crew included India-born aeronautical engineer Sirisha Bandla. On July the 11th, the crew of Virgin Galactic's Unity 22 test flight mission took off at 8:40 a.m. according to the local time from the company's Spaceport America facility in New Mexico and flew just above the boundary of space, where the 4 passengers and 2 pilots experienced about 4 minutes of weightlessness. The flight was controlled by flight engineers Dave McKay and Michael Masuki. Richard Branson, Beth Moses, Colin Bennett and Sirisha Bandla were part of the crew as astronauts. After going 15 kilometers above the Earth, the mothership VMS Eve let the space plane Unity go, and from there it rocketed up to 86 kilometers above Earth's surface. The view of Earth from space was mesmerizing. After this, Unity returned to Earth and landed not too far from where it took off at Spaceport America. This was the test flight that can launch space tourism by private space companies. British businessman Richard Branson has outperformed other companies in this effort. It was a joyous occasion for India as well. Sirisha Bandla is the second India-born and the third woman of Indian origin to have gone into space after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams.